Do you think the fish noticed me? It's pretty cold. Maybe about, I don't know. That's not a 1/4 inch thickness. Sorry, maybe an 1/8 of an inch. 1/8 of an inch thickness. I think any fish that might have been near me probably ran away. Should I throw an anchor down? That'd be pretty cool to bring back up, huh? Bloop. No blade bait luck. Finesse football head jig. Oh, got one. Finally. I've been out here all flipping day. Well, maybe like 2 hours. This is a deep diving. Oh, he's not even fighting. Water's too cold to fight, maybe. Water is literally 38 degrees. All I'm doing is yo-yoing technique. Oh man. Oh. Yo-yo technique. Deep diving crank. It's not a flat side, just yo-yo technique. Deep diving crankbait, bluegill pattern. Let me turn so you guys get some light. I want to find that big one that was out here. But all I was doing was just yo-yo technique. Just letting it run real quick, let it pause. Felt a lot of weight on my line. And bam. Good size fish. Man, I sat here, tried so many other baits, about to get off the water. But good gracious, man, I'm happy to have one. Been a rough day. As you can see, we just had a snow. Pond's halfway frozen over. Can't beat that, man. Let's see if we try to get a bigger one. I only got maybe 10 minutes left. But we're gonna try. Oh. Super cold fish. Oh man, that thing is cold as ever. 38-degree water temperature. I had a jig just kind of roaming around. Just kind of roaming around with the jig as I'm moving. Just see if anything picks it up. That's all. Little finesse jig. All right. Oh man, my hands are cold. Okay, so apparently there's 2 fish in here. I caught that one large one before, and then that little 2-pounder right there. Also says 7-foot medium heavy action rod, 12-pound fluoro. It's a Cast King 7.0 ratio. That's all I was doing, literally just yo-yo technique. And something grabbed it. It just felt like heavy weight. It's too cold to fight. This deep diving crank technically, I'm gonna say floats. I think it floats upward. So it won't perfectly suspend, but it has a slow rise up. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But I saw it's on a yo-yo, let it pause. And it looks like a dying fish. Of course, they look at it as easy food. Dying fish, I don't have to work that. I don't have to chase it. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. It has been a rough 3 hours. Even though I caught one fish, but the sun's going down. It'll probably be down in the next 15 minutes, and it's only been getting colder. My electronics are done because I failed to charge it like I was supposed to. You guys got to remind me of this stuff, man. And I tried fishing a little as far as deep wise. I did try fishing deep, dragging the jig around. I got excited right there. That's what it felt like last time. Just extra weight was on my rod. That's it. I did try blade bait. I did try jerk bait. Only thing I caught a fish today was the deep diving crank. Bluegill pattern. I need to be going inside, not this direction. So if I catch another fish, I'll let you guys know. If not, until next time, maybe I'll be out in the Potomac next time. Go try to see if I hit a few different spots that I haven't been to. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. By all means, share it with a friend. You guys follow me on Instagram at SMD Fishing. You can use hashtag SMD Fishing. Tag a fish that you caught this winter. And I'll give you guys a free shout out. No problem. It's all love, man. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.